Good morning, everyone. I think everybody is fine and staying home. So everybody got the routine half yearly exam. So today we are not start any new topic. Today just revise the lesson number 6, lesson number 7 and lesson number 8 only for whatever we discussed the last class. So everybody open page number 37. At first put the date. Today's date is 30th September 2020. Day is Wednesday. Subject is French. Today topic that only revision. No new topic start. Only revision. So lesson number 6, lesson number 7 and lesson number 8 only for the whatever discussed the last day. That means only for exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3. Not extra topic. So everybody open page number 37. Today we discuss. Just revise. And one thing I announce you that total 4 unit test already covered. But I repeatedly told you that at first the top of the page you write your name, class and subject, and the bottom of the page you write your WhatsApp number. But some students not follow this instruction. So it is very much difficult to identify which student these are. So I repeatedly told you that in half yearly exam must write, before start writing you must write your name, class and subject, the top of the page, and the bottom of the page you must write your WhatsApp number, and use only the art paper, because 50 marks question arrange in one page. So it is very difficult to arrange in one page if you take in short page or A4 size page. So use only art paper, and the top of the art paper you must write your name, class and subject, and the bottom of the page you write your WhatsApp number, and after completing you take a picture and send it. Okay. So everybody open page number 37, lesson number 6. Lesson number 6, Les Amis de Caroline. Exercise 1, complétez avec les articles définis. Put the definite article in the blanks. When I give you the blanks in the exam, you copy the blanks, then you put the answer. Okay. So you only put the article. Okay. Exercise 1. Exercise 2 is not important. Page number 3, open the page number 38. Exercise number 3. Refait avec l'article défini. Here is mixing the definite and indefinite article. Here are the indefinite article is left side. So you put only for the definite articles and the noun. Suppose une femme, you put la femme. Des amis, that you put les amis. Un autobus, you put l'autobus. Like it. Okay, exercise number 4, météo pluriel. Here is singular form, you convert in plural form. Exercise number 5, complétez avec l'article défini ou l'article indéfini. When this topic is come on in exam, if you put indefinite article, so everything is put indefinite article. If you put definite article, then first one is definite, second one is indefinite, that is wrong. If you first one indefinite, second one also indefinite. If first one is definite, then second one also definite. Okay. Number 6, retrouvez les noms et écrivez au féminin. Find out the noun and put in feminine form. Okay. Number 7, identify the picture and put this. Number 8, saisissez l'intrus. Put the odd one. 8. Number 9. Here is a dialogue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dialogue are there. If there is a dialogue at first, copy the blanks, then you put the answer. Everybody open page number 42, lesson number 7. Quel jour sommes-nous? Which day is our? Quel jour sommes-nous? Which days we are? Répondez aux questions suivantes. Response the following question. First one, il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? There are how many days in a week? Number 2, which is the day today? Tu vas à l'école vendredi. Exercise number 3. Tu vas à l'école vendredi. Do you go to the school Thursday? Not Friday. Quel jour est le premier jour de la semaine? Which is the first day of the week? 5. Quel est le dernier jour de la semaine? Which is the last day of the week? Quel est votre matière préférée? Which is your favorite matière préférée? Matière means préféré means prefer. Favorite language. Okay. Number 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of ale verb. Ale means to go. At first copy the blanks, then you put the answer. Number 3 is not important. Number 4. Dit vrai ou faux. Write the true or false. Number 5. Hier means yesterday. Aujourd'hui means today. Demain means tomorrow. You have to put the blanks and copy the blanks, then you put the answer. Number 6, the dialogue. Number 7, fill in the blanks with the help of avoir, être, aller verb. Avoir means to have, être means to be, aller means to go. 8, conjugate les verbs suivants. Conjugate the two verbs. There is the aller verb and être verb. 9 is not important. 10, the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the true or false. Okay. Everybody open page number 47, lesson number 8. La famille de Manuel, the family of Manuel. Fill in the blanks with the parler, habiter, aimer, regarder. Fill in the blanks with the parler means to speak, habiter means to live, aimer means to love, to like, regarder means to look at. At first, copy the blanks, then you put the verb form. Complétez avec les pronoms suivants. Put the pronoun in the following. You have to put the pronoun. Suppose je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, you have to put it. And exercise number 3, again, there is the singular form, you have to convert in plural form. So these are all the topics of lesson number 6 to 8. 8 only for the 1, 2 and 3. And 6 and 7. So you have to practice in your home. If you any problem, I told you, if you any problem, any doubt, just contact me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay. And I also again remember that I told you, in exam, half yearly exam, you use only for the art paper. No another A4 size paper or anything else, only for the art paper. And you must write your name, class and subject top of the page, and the bottom of the page you write your WhatsApp number. Okay. So today is for that. Best of luck for half yearly exam. Till then, bye bye.